In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Microsoft Teams meeting from start to finish. Whether you're planning a quick call, organizing a team discussion, or scheduling an important meeting for later, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Microsoft Teams and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Meet section. This is where all your meeting tools are located, and it's the easiest place to create or schedule anything you need. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Now, let's start with the quickest method. If you want to create a meeting instantly, click on Create a Meeting link. A small window will appear where you can type in your meeting name, something simple like Team Update or Project Discussion. Once you've entered the name, click Create, and Teams will generate a link for you instantly. From here, you can simply copy the link and share it with anyone who needs to join. It's perfect for quick, last-minute meetings. To make the process smoother, here's a quick tip. Choose a clear meeting name so your participants know exactly what the meeting is about. Doing this beforehand helps avoid confusion and makes your meeting feel more organized. Now, if you want to schedule a meeting for a specific date and time, Teams makes that just as easy. In the same Meet section, click on Schedule a Meeting. A new window will open with several fields for you to fill out. Start by entering the meeting name. After that, type in the names or email addresses of the people you want to invite. Teams will automatically suggest contacts as you type. Next, choose the date and time of your meeting. Make sure the time zone is correct, especially if you're meeting with people from different regions. Below that, you'll find a box where you can add a description. This is a great place to include your agenda, notes, or anything your participants should know before joining. Once everything looks good, click Send. Teams will automatically send invitations to everyone you added, complete with a meeting link and all the details you entered. You'll also see the meeting added to your team's calendar, which makes it easy to keep track of upcoming events. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to set up a Microsoft Teams meeting quickly, confidently, and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?